A denied bank transfer is not always a system error. In most cases, banks block transactions for security, verification, or account mismatch reasons inside the banking system. The key is to identify why it was rejected before trying again. 1. Check basic input errors. Start with the simplest causes: wrong account number, incorrect routing number, mismatched name, wrong transfer amount. Even one small digit error can cause instant rejection. Always recheck details before resending. 2. Check account balance and limits. Transfers are denied if insufficient balance daily transfer limit exceeded monthly cap reached. Many banks have hidden limits depending on account type. If limit is the issue, waiting or adjusting the amount may solve it. 3. Verify bank security. Holds banks often block transfers for safety reasons. Common triggers: new device login, unusual transaction location, large or sudden transfer. In such cases, you may need OTP verification, identity confirmation, bank approval. This is a fraud prevention system, not a failure. 4. Check internet banking or app issues. Sometimes the problem is technical: outdated banking app server downtime, unstable internet connection. Try restarting app, switching network, updating the app. 5. Confirm recipient details. Transfers are rejected if recipient information is invalid: closed account, wrong bank branch, inactive account. Double-check recipient status before retrying. 6. Contact bank support. If everything seems correct, contact customer service, ask for rejection reason code. Banks can see exact failure reasons that users cannot. This is important for repeated failures. 7. Try alternative transfer method. If one method fails, use wire transfer ACH for US systems. Use mobile banking app instead of web. Different channels sometimes bypass temporary issues. Strategic insight. Bank transfer failures usually fall into 3 categories: user input errors, bank security restrictions, system or network issues. Most users assume technical failure, but security rules are the most common reason. Final conclusion: to fix a denied transfer, verify all details carefully, check limits and balance, confirm security holds, contact bank if needed.